Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I just recently got the flite UMX Radian right here. It's a really cool plane. It's a glider that I bought to help me train for my RC piloting skills, and this will be an unboxing video. So yeah. It looks like there's no tape, so I think I just hold up. Okay, this is what's in the box. So it looks like we have our fuselage and our wing right here. Hi, Tino. It looks as if I can just, no, go away. Tino's in a cone right now because he got bitten by another cat. I had to take him to the vet. So yeah, okay. Why did they make these so hard to unbox? Let me get a knife. Okay. It's a lot easier with the knife. Just cut free that tape. Cut out this. I think that's my uncle coming. Cut these. And unboxing it takes usually the longest. I think this should just slide out. Put that over there. Wow, this definitely looks nice. It looks like it has like folding propellers and the motor's right there. This is the rudder. And this is elevator. I'm not gonna play with that too much. Okay. So now I can take this out. Let me just throw some things away and I'll catch you back in a sec.